here for Mysteries and Oddities. And today's Mystery and Oddities is going to be on this. And wait till you see what's going on with this engine. It is truly a mystery.
Buried deep within corners of decaying mower shops, ancient relics lie. Peculiar artifacts left behind, baffling even today's most experienced repairman. What lies beneath the surface of dust and filth will leave you dumbfounded. Enigmatic, perplexing, and unusual items. Small engine pundit Pterodactyl takes you through Mower Mysteries and Oddities.
John Deere F680 came in with this Kohler twin command on it, and it was running. They said it was flooding out the customer. Upon further inspection, we figured out it was only running on one cylinder. So we checked spark, had spark on both sides. We pulled the valve cover off, and the rocker arm and this bolt had been ripped out. So it pulled the threads out of here. So upon further inspection, notice that the valve is being held open. So then I thought, okay, the valve seat came out. So upon further inspection from that, so now we have to pull the engine out. You know, we have to pull this out because it's shaft driven. So we pull the engine out, and the manifold is loose. Let me get the manifold. And the gasket on this side was gone, because here's this gasket here. You can see that there's a little bit of gasket left on there. So then I took a peek inside here, and look what's in there. And I have no idea how that got in there and how it got in that position. That is truly a mystery. Do you see that in there? There's a bolt in there. A bolt from what? I don't know. It's truly an utter mystery. And it's standing straight up and down, and it's holding that valve open. So we're going to pull the head off. We're going to take a look at that and see what kind of bolt it is, if I can identify it as to what part of the engine did that bolt come from. This is a mystery for sure. Okay, that piece of hardware is definitely holding that valve open. Let me see if I can push on it and get it to come out. No. I'm gonna have to get my valve spring compressor. Hold on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them out. Yeah. What is that? That doesn't look like anything that I've ever seen from a... Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Is this the stud that holds the air cleaner on? Where's the top of that manifold? Ah! Mystery solved. The customer had put a bolt in there. And this was one of those Kohler air filter wing nuts. And they chopped the little wings off. Let me get one. I think that's what that was. Let me get one of them wing nuts. I think I got them over here. This was the wing nut. They cut these off. And they put this bolt in there. Which I believe, this is 1/4 This is 6mm. Yeah. So this had fallen out, and the air cleaner and everything probably came off. It fell down in here. And somehow made its way all the way through. It took its little journey all the way through and found its way into the valve and held it wide open. I'd never seen that before. So this had failed. Let me take this off. I got that thing on there tight. You know why? Because they rammed it in there. They must have forced this 1/4 screw through that (6mm) wing nut. Yep. You can see the little serrations. You can see the little serrations in here and the little serrations on there. Maybe you've seen this before, grass rats, but I haven't. That's a first for me. So that goes in there, which I could just weld that back in there. We can put the head back, put a new head gasket on. This has got the updated head gaskets on it. It's got the newer head gaskets. What else do I see in here? What's this here? Some metal. Oh, that's probably aluminium from when it ripped the threads out of here. I'll have to helicoil this. This looks like it had been helicoiled before. This side, it's got a helicoil in it already. It must have pulled out once before. I didn't do it because I don't ever remember this mower being in here before. So there you have it, grass rats. Have you ever seen that before? I haven't. That's a first for me. But we solved that mystery. So, for Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities, I'm Raymond Burr. I mean, pterodactyl. Tune in again next time for another Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities.
Lawnmower Mysteries and Oddities.